This is how I create my own sounds to avoid copyright issues both on Facebook and YouTube. Now, the first thing we are going to do is to get our lyrics from ChatGPT. I'm going to head over to my ChatGPT. When it opens to this interface, I'll just have to click there and select new chat. And then I'll describe the type of music I want to create. You have to describe, then ChatGPT will help you to bring your ideation to life. So I want to create a soft romantic sound that I'll be using as background music, as background sound for my videos. So I'll just go ahead and type. So this is what I said. I want to create a soft romantic song that I will be using as background sound for my videos on YouTube and Facebook. Suggest lyrics for me. So I'll just go ahead and send a prompt. As you can see, the title is Softly You Stay. This is the lyrics. This is the lyrics. I'm just going to go ahead and copy. Go ahead and copy these lyrics. I've copied it. The next thing is to go to our Chrome browser. When you come here, you type suno.ai. Click on the search bar, and then it opens to this interface. You select this first one. When it opens to this interface, if you have not signed in, you have to click here and sign up. You see an option here to sign up. You sign up. Me, I've already signed in, so I'm not going to sign in again, but you have to do that. Once you sign in, you can sign in with your Google account or your email address. Once you're done signing in, the next thing you're going to see is an interface like this. This is the interface you're going to see. I clicked here. After signing in, you are going to click on this music icon here. You click there. Then it brings you to this interface. It brings you to this interface. As you can see, there is simple and there is custom. This means customize according to your taste. So I'm going to use the customized one. And this is where you paste the lyrics we copied from ChatGPT. I'll go ahead and paste the lyrics here. After pasting the lyrics, you come here, you see styles. This is where you select the type of music you want to make. Is it random? Is it girl vocals? Any type. You select the type of music you want to create. So let me just scroll and see if I will see anything that relates to what I'm creating. I'll just go ahead and select this soft. Then you scroll down. This title here, this is where you put the title of the song you're creating. Remember from ChatGPT we saw softly and softly something. I don't forget. Let me just say softly you stay. I'm going to use this as my title and then I'll just go ahead and click on create. When you click on create, you wait for just few seconds for the music to create. So the first one is ready. Let me play it and see what we just created.
In the quiet of the morning light,
So this is When the world feels slow. The first one, but we cannot download this very first one. This one, all these ones that you see, it's generated 4. It usually generates 4. Then you have to select, play the 4, and choose the one that you like most. But all these ones that are saying this first one, upgrade for full song, upgrade for all these one, you cannot download it because they are for pro users unless you subscribed. That is when you can download that one. So we'll just leave those one and go to this one that we can download. These last 2, they are still loading. These last 2 are the ones who will preview and download one. This one is ready. Let me play it. In the quiet of the morning light. Did you see? Then let me preview this one and check the one I would choose out of the 2. In the quiet of the morning light. So it's just these 2 that we can download, and this other 2 we cannot download it because it's for pro users. So I'll just go ahead and download the 2. I'll download these 2 that I can download. Just click on that icon. Then you click on, you see download. I'll download it. MP3. Choose MP3 audio. Then you click on download anyway. You wait for it to download. I'm going to go ahead and download the other one too. It has downloaded already. I'll download the other one. To download, you click here, these 3 icons here. If you click on it, then you're going to see download at the lower side. Click on download. You select MP3 audio. Click on download anyway. Oh, this is the one I downloaded before. I think it's this one I'm supposed to download. Okay, I've downloaded it before. So this is just how to create sounds for yourself without any copyright issue at all. So the music is already in my gallery. Let me go and check it out. So this is it. Softly You Stay. Let me play it. This is it. In the quiet of the morning light. So this is how to get sounds for yourself. It is very, very easy. Alright, see you in my next video. Bye.